Yo, it don't start until I get there. Show them how the gangsters shout. Cause where I'm from, that's where all the gangsters at. And when we come, yo, we get to acting the ass. We go, if we get to moving too fast, see, we go still.
Today, we are going to talk about pool physics. It all starts at the tip. The key to pool is having a good tip game because it's how force and energy are transferred, and it determines the rotation of the ball, which determines the direction and friction of the ball.
Hey, let's go! Happy finals! Do you still? You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it.
If you want the cue ball to move with a greater velocity, then you must apply a greater amount of torque on it with the pool stick. Since the pool balls have a small radius, you have to hit them with a large force if you want the torque to be greater. You want to make sure you hit the ball in the center so that the radial acceleration will be in a forward direction, whereas if you hit the ball on the side, the radial acceleration will be off to the side, which will cause your ball to move inefficiently.
You suck!
I can't hit it. When you do get a solid hit on the ball, kinetic energy is transferred from the pole tip into the cue ball, which then causes the cue ball to move forward with an increased velocity, which in turn gives it increased momentum. This momentum is transferred from the cue ball into the leading ball of the group of balls when it comes in contact. Momentum is transferred through the group in a similar fashion to Newton's famous ball trick. The two balls on the end, when the momentum reaches them, is what causes them to move out in opposite directions. Because as we know, law of conservation of momentum states momentum initial is equal to momentum final.
Hello? I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good, I would call her. Wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat and a 6'4" ball.
Force is mass times acceleration. The mass is constant, so the acceleration will define the force applied. As you can see, the pool player accelerates just before striking the ball. The greater the acceleration, the greater the force on the ball will be, and the farther and faster it will travel. If they were to move with a more constant velocity, the ball would not travel as far or as fast.
Sammy G. Don Tizzle, here to solve the physics riddle, motion and its properties, force, mass, speed, biology. Sir Isaac Newton.
The force vector is the magnitude and direction of a force. The force vectors are used to determine how you need to hit the pool ball so it goes into the holes. The pool player must use their knowledge of force vectors to get the perfect shot.
What the heck?
You're bringing your hand up.
Okay, let me
Keep
do
your
it.
hand down.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I did it. Magic. She's a wizard. Wow, look, Betsy's bad at pool. She hit the white ball in.